Hi, this is Bill, and this is the Finest Travel Beat with Angela and Bill, your source for all things travel. Today we take you to the Caribbean Beach Resort at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, and one of their pirate-themed rooms. We'll show you around the room, tell you our thoughts of the Caribbean Beach Resort in general, and share some information with you as well. As always, we invite you to stick around to the end for our final thoughts and share your thoughts in the comments down below. Again, thanks for watching. We stayed in room 3516, which was a water view room. As you can see, it's right across from the Skyliner station, and the room itself was really nice because we had windows on both sides, which it made it nice and airy and open and made for some beautiful views during the day. You open the shades up and it was really nice. The room itself, as you walk in there, it's definitely themed. It's definitely a Disney theme, Pirates of the Caribbean theme. A lot of really fun niche features that you realize after you've been there for a while. The beds themselves are shaped like pirate ships. As you can see, there's the mast and the old-time hanging lanterns, a little captain's wheel, and even the woodworking of the bed is made like a pirate ship. Now over here by these things that look like crates are actually drawers. There was plenty of storage space in the room. It's a moderate resort. It's the lower end of the moderate resorts at Disney World. Caribbean Beach happens to be one of our favorites. It provides really good value, pretty good location. This was really fun. This was a barrel that opens up and hides your mini refrigerator. So again, a lot of really fun features about it. Even the hanging, the coat hangers were like cleats from docks. Here we have a chest that opens up into drawers. Again, tons of storage space. There is a coffee maker and a Keurig, which you'll have in most rooms. The nightstands also are in the shape of a barrel. And this little curtain that separates the bathroom area out has a Pirates of the Caribbean theme to it. Nice double sink, something that they've added when they've done most of the upgrades in Disney World. Some scroll work around the mirror again. There's also there's a safe in the room. It's one of those newer kind of longest safes. I guess you could keep a laptop in there if you wanted to, but just be careful it doesn't fall out. There is an iron, there's an ironing board. The shower curtain in the bathroom is also pirate themed. The bathroom itself was kind of small, but it was functional. It worked okay for us. Again, I like Caribbean Beach. It's one of the less expensive of the moderate hotels, provides a really good value. If we get enough interest, I'll probably do full resort tours of Caribbean Beach and other resorts. Again, depending on the interest, this channel is largely about cruises and all-inclusives, but Angela and I also have annual passes to Disney and Universal, and if we get enough positive feedback, enough likes, enough comments and thoughts, we definitely will be doing more Disney videos. So if you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, put the notification bells on. It helps us out. It costs you nothing. And it gives us some idea of the type of content that you would like. Going along with our tour, there was a little table. Plenty of room at the little table, which was nice for eating on that. There was also plenty of power solutions right by the nightstand where USB ports and regular chargers. If you're a CPAP user like myself, that was not an issue at all. The one downside to the Caribbean Beach Resort in general is that it's a little bit larger. We had a water view room which provided for really nice views, but it was about a 5-minute walk to the car back and forth, so if you have a lot of luggage, you might want to keep that in mind. It is an extremely large resort, so you could be quite a distance from the main building, where they have various shops and restaurants, quick service restaurant, and the lobby. Now, there's bus transportation at the resort, so that's not an issue. There's also plenty of parking. I won't go too much into the other features of the resort. We want to kind of concentrate more on the room in this video. Now, here's the bad news. Disney announced that they will be discontinuing the pirate rooms sometime in 2023. As you can see, some of the furniture is a little beaten up. I guess they decided to go in a different direction. I think this is really, really sad. I happen to like the Disney theming very much. Angela and I, our favorite resorts are ones that you feel like you're at Disney and kind of takes you out of that, the everyday world element and into fantasy. So if you're looking to book one of these rooms, I would suggest doing it as soon as possible. We don't know the exact date they're going to stop booking these rooms, but as of right now, they still are. Before we tell you our final thoughts again, please hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it definitely helps us out and also lets you know when we put new content up. We're going to have a lot of travel news, cruises, all-inclusives, important information, some tips and tricks. We're not sure exactly where we're going with it. A lot of it's depending on your feedback. Would we stay in this room again? Absolutely 100%. It was a little bit more than a regular room, not by much, but we really enjoyed it. We loved the theming. We loved the resort in general. We happen to absolutely love, and we thought the value is always there. It was a lot of fun, especially if you have kids, smaller kids involved, young boys that like pirate stuff. It's a great spot to stay. We really, really enjoyed it. Again, thanks for watching. Angela and I really appreciate it. It means the world to us, and on behalf of Angela, we invite you along, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye-bye, everybody.